What was the Weimar Republic? The Weimar Republic was the German state, society, country, nation, between November 1918, when the First World War came to an end, and January the 30th, 1933, when the Nazis took over. More specifically, the Weimar Republic was a time between the First World War and the Depression, the meltdown of 1929. So it was really 11 years, 10 years, 11 years, a very short time. However, it became, in the eyes of the historians and those of us who remember it, a time of extraordinary creativity and modernity, the modern word, whatever was modern. It was a very exciting time, the Weimar Republic. It was born out of defeat and revolution, and the revolution never really took, because from the very beginning of the Weimar Republic, a deal had been made between those who took over from the previous regime and the German military, that the military would have a secure role to play in the Republic. And the military was devoted to, let us say, law and order. 1918 was the end of the First World War. It was the beginning of the Weimar Republic. The Weimar Constitution was created in 1919. In 1917, a year earlier, there had been the Russian Revolution. And what troubled the German military, and certainly the German bourgeoisie, whatever you want to call it, the middle class, more than anything else, was the fear of a communist revolution in Germany. And so from the very beginning, and there was a revolution, there was some fighting, some civil fighting. It was clear that the military would not permit anything like a Soviet revolution in Germany. So the suppression of the far left was one of the characteristics of the Weimar Republic from the beginning. They devised a constitution, the Weimar Constitution, which was considered and is still being considered as one of the most progressive and civilized and liberal constitutions in the world.